Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Waldo 3 AI, an impressive object detection model built on the WVIT's architecture. Whether you're into surveillance, environmental monitoring, or autonomous navigation, this tool has serious potential. Let's get into it. But before we do that, a lot of you asked me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. First things first, you'll need Python installed. Once that's done, install key libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. You can do that easily using pip or pip in your terminal. Next, here's something important. You won't be able to download Waldo 3 directly from GitHub. Instead, for the most accurate and up-to-date setup, head over to the official guide, which is this bluescarf.ai/Waldo. This site has everything you need to get started: resources, documentation, and secure access to the model. Now, the model performs best with high quality images, whether you're using aerial shots, security footage, or any dataset. Clear image, better results. Then try to reduce noise and blurring before running your inputs through the model, if you can do that. Now, use a simple Python script to load Waldo 3. Even if you're not a coding pro, don't worry. There are helpful templates and code snippets available in the official guide. Once it runs, the model will process your images and highlight detected objects. It's fast, efficient, and super useful, whether you're analyzing wildlife habitats, tracking urban development, and detecting obstacles for autonomous vehicles. Now, for a pro tip, if you want better results, you can experiment with the model's parameters, adjust threshold, image sizes, or post processing techniques to fine tune your output. Small changes can lead to major improvements in accuracy. And that's it. Setting up Hold of AI is straightforward with the right tools, and its object detection capabilities are a game changer for both research and real world projects. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and if you've got questions, don't forget to subscribe for more cool AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy experimenting with Waldo 3.